In this video, we will be learning how to play Happy Birthday in several keys on the ukulele. Also embedded in this is going to be some kind of theory lesson about chords. There are 3 chords in Happy Birthday. And the way we talk about chords in relationship to each other and the key they're in is with Roman numerals. If, for example, you're in C, C is the first step of the scale, so you are playing the 1 chord. Now G, for G7, is the 5th note of the scale, and that means that it is the 5-7 chord. The 3rd chord in Happy Birthday we use is F, which is the 4 chord. What we're going to be thinking about as we cycle through these keys is what's the 1 chord, what's the 5-7 chord, and what's the 4 chord. I'm going to have as a visual for you the 1, 5, 7, and 4 chords, and then I'm going to put on the side what those chords are in that key. And hopefully, as you get more familiar with playing in these keys, you'll be more familiar with how the chords relate to each other, and hopefully would be able to play songs by ear that way. Fun fact about Happy Birthday, you actually start on the 5th scale degree, so we're going to start with a 5-7 chord each time. In C, we're going to use the C chord. Our 5-7 is G7, and our 4 chord is F. And 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. I don't know whose birthday it is. Is it your birthday, Gabby? Do you want me to sing for you? Okay. Gabby, happy birthday to you. Our next one is going to be G. Our 1 chord, of course, is G. Our 5-7 chord is D7. And our 4 chord is C. So let's go back to that 5-7 chord. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you. Let this be a lesson for people who start Happy Birthday too high. Don't do it. Always start it low. Next is D. So we have D, A7, and our 4 chord is G. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you. And our last one in this direction is going to be in the key of A. Our 1 chord is A. Our 5-7 chord is E7. And our 4 chord is D. So let's go back to that E7 to find our pitch. Happy, ooh, that's too high for me. I'm gonna do lower. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you. And we're going to go back into flatland for our last one for F. Our 1 chord is going to be F. Our 5-7 chord is C7. And then our 4 chord is B flat, which is a half bar chord, so you might want to develop some finger strength to get that. So let's try it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you. I hope you enjoyed that lesson, and whoever you sing happy birthday to enjoys the playing. And until next time, stay mindful, stay musical, and stay out of trouble. Subscribe if you want. Is it your birthday, Gabby? Do you want me to sing for you? Okay.